LINQPad is the .NET programmer's playground. Product features. Instantly test any C#, F#, VB snippet or program. Query databases in LINQ, SQLite Azure, Oracle, SQLite, Postgres MySQL. Enjoy rich output formatting, auto-completion with AI and integrated debugging. Script and automate in your favorite .NET language, with all the benefits of a REPL. Interoperate with BenchmarkDotNet, xUnit, RX, MSAL, Excel and more. Super lightweight, small and fast, with xcopy option. Standard edition free with no expiry. LINQPad is the ultimate scratchpad for C#, F# and VB. LINQPad is not just for LINQ queries, but any C#, F#, VB expression, statement block or program. Put an end to those hundreds of Visual Studio Console projects cluttering your source folder and join the revolution of LINQPad scripters and incremental developers. Reference your own assemblies and NuGet packages. Prototype your ideas in LINQPad and then paste working code into Visual Studio. Or call your scripts directly from the command line. Want to test a variation of your script? Clone your query in a single keystroke. Experience LINQPad's rich output formatting, optional debugger and auto-completion, and the magic of dynamic development and instant feedback. LINQPad is easy to learn. LINQPad comes with an integrated tutorial reference, comprising interactive sample queries. Browse through the tree or press Ctrl F1 to search. You'll find a sample that demonstrates just about every feature and application of LINQPad. Keychain Enterprise distributes and sells software with the aim of offering clients guidance when choosing software, as well as technical support.